Understanding coding is a weapon. It's like a superpower. Well, it's better than a superpower. Hi, I'm Majay, Senior Developer at jobme.pk Solutions. I started my career as graphics designer, and there was a moment when I came into the coding. For me, coding is like an exercise of brain. The more you code, the more your brain will be capable of solving virtual and real life problems. My very first coding program was Fox Pro, a business solution for bankers to manage finance. I started coding when I was 13 years old. It doesn't matter how old you are, you can start learning. Jump into it, learn it. Just try and take one class, give it 1 hour. It's amazing what you can learn in 1 hour. It's important to break that stigma of thinking that it's not cool to be smart. If you can understand, much less speak code, you can build anything.